Okay, so I have a super quick snack hack for you, whether you're trying to eat clean or eat low carb. This is going to be your new best friend when it comes to snack time, or better yet, dessert time. Protein-packed, chocolate-covered raspberry clusters. It's so easy, just 3 ingredients, and I'm gonna show you how to get this in your life tonight.
Get out, get away.
I am not a trained chef, but I am a full-time foodie photographer to be exact. I've created a 6-figure career from my kitchen table. Come on into my studio where we'll cook not just good food, but gorgeous food. I'm Brooke Lark, and this is how to cook like a food stylist. So I figure if you're gonna eat chocolate-covered raspberries, why not super boost them with Bob's Red Mill protein powder? This stuff isn't just protein powder, it also contains probiotics and chia seeds, so you get a super boost, plus the best darn dessert that you've ever made. Here's how. For this recipe, you'll need coconut oil, fresh raspberries, lots of them, dark chocolate chunks, and Bob's Red Mill protein powder. A chocolate protein powder is great if you love dark chocolate, and the vanilla protein powder is perfect if you prefer a milk chocolate finish. To a 10-ounce bag of dark chocolate, you add 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then we're going to microwave this in 30-second bursts, stirring in between until it's really nice and smooth and creamy and melted. But you don't want the chocolate to get hot, so that's why we're gonna do it in these 30-second bursts. So 30 seconds stir, 30 seconds stir. Once it's all smooth and creamy, you're ready to add your protein powder. I'm going to add 2 scoops of the Bob's Red Mill chocolate protein powder right to the chocolate, and then just stir it in until it's smooth again. We're gonna spoon that chocolate right into some silicone muffin cups. This is gonna make it really easy to just pop it out once the chocolate hardens. You can also use parchment cups as well. All right, time for those fresh raspberries. And what we're gonna do is drop them in the top of each of the chocolate cups. And I don't want them all to be facing in the same direction. If you really like the look of like a little tart, then you can put them all with the open piece down so that that top dome of the raspberry all sits at the top. But I kind of like the look of the clusters. So most of these cups will fit right around 5, and you do have to just squish the little one in the middle to make it fit. If your raspberries are big, you might be able to fit only 4. Time to put these in the fridge so that that chocolate hardens, and as soon as it does, dessert is done. Is there anything easier than this? No. And you know what? There is nothing tastier either. All right, there we have it. Time to peel these pretty little things out of their wrappers and check out these cute little protein-filled chocolate raspberry clusters. They are perfect for like a quick little snack in the morning, or, you know, after the gym, or throw them out for dessert. It's the most delicious, simple, fantastically fun way to enjoy a healthy treat with the addition of protein and probiotics, all thanks to Bob's Red Mill. All right, try these today, you guys. You're gonna love them.